Indeed, a very beautiful and mesmerizing performance. May I now invite the team behind the wonderful performance on stage. Mrs. Poonam Jamwal. She is the founder chairman of Kunwar Viyogi Memorial Trust. Shri Govardhan Singh Jamwal. He is the co-chairperson of Kunwar Viyogi Memorial Trust. Mrs. Rashmi Jamwal. She is an artist and member of the trust. Mrs. Sanchita Abroad, the artist of the day. As we all have seen, she is an international Kathak dancer. Shri Ayushman Jamwal, the poet of the evening. Mrs. Nidhi Soni, she is the manager of the trust. And Mr. Sambhav, he is the cinematographer behind the whole performance. May I now request Mrs. Ranjana Bhatt, Zonal President AWA, to kindly come on stage and felicitate the team. First of all, Mrs. Poonam Jamwal. Mrs. Rashmi Jamwal. Mrs. Sanchita Abroad, the artist. Mrs. Nidhi Soni. Mr. Sambhav, the cinematographer. Mr. Ayushman Jamwal, the poet. And Mr. Govardhan Singh Jamwal, the co-chairperson of the trust. Now, a token of love and remembrance from the Kunwar Viyogi Trust. May I now request the team for a group photograph with Mrs. Ranjana Bhatt. Thank you, ma'am.